How to use translate option on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a social media platform, but a new update has just been released which allow you to use the translate option. That is, you can translate any language from your own language to any language that you want. Is very easy, but the first you have to do is to be sure that the WhatsApp app is up to date on your device. So once the WhatsApp app is up to date, you can update the app on your mobile device using the Google Play Store or the App Store on your iPhone. So once you've updated your WhatsApp app on your device, now locate the particular message you want to send in translated format. For example, I want to send this one. Make sure you locate the particular message you want to send. Tap and hold for a few seconds. Once tap and hold for a few seconds, it comes out like this. Then out of the option that comes here, tap on the more option button. Once tap on the more option button, it comes out. You have access to other option like pin, translate, report, delete. So tap on translate button. Once tap on translate button, it brings you this interface where you have translate from to. So for example, if you want to translate from English, tap on the particular button. Now you have a lot of translated option here. So let's say I want to translate from Taiwan, Chinese Taiwan. So you can see that it brings out Chinese Taiwan. Now you can see that you have this option. You need to download this in your device. So once you tap on it and download this on your device, make sure you wait for it to fully download it and tap on done. Once tap on done, it fully downloaded, then go ahead and tap on translate to. Now to whatever language you want to translate it to, maybe to German or to France, tap on that language. Then if you have not downloaded that particular language as well, make sure you tap on download button here to download this language in your device as well. Then tap on done. Once tap on done, you'll be able to send this particular message from one language to the other. So if you enjoyed this video and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. That will upload another important update. You will be able to see it as soon as possible.